Welcome to Mental Math lesson number 7. We are going to start our multiplication series. We are going to start with fast facts that you already know, which is multiplying by 0, 1, 2, 5, and 10. Multiplying by 0. Here's a trick. Any number times 0 is always 0, and 0 groups means nothing. For example, 6 times nothing is nothing, 0. Let's move on to multiply by 1. Well, you probably already know any number times 1 stays the same. So 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, and so on and so forth. So anything multiplied by 1 is the number by itself. What about multiply by 2? Think about the doubles lesson that you learned earlier, which is you add a number to itself. So you already know that 2 times 1 is also the same as 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is 2 plus 2, which is 4. So on. 2 times 3 is 3 plus 3, which is 6. 2 times 4 is 4 plus 4, which is 8. 2 times 5 is 2 5s added together, which is 10. 2 times 6 is 6 added together, which is 12. And 2 times 7 is 7 plus 7, which is 14. 2 times 8 is 8 plus 8, which is 16. And 2 times 9 is 9 plus 9, which is 18. Finally, 2 times 10 is 10 plus 10 equals 20. See, wasn't that simple? You already know these. What about multiply by 10? Well, let's just add a 0 to the end. 10 times 1 is 10, times 2 is 20, 10 times 3 is 30, 10 times 4 is 40, 10 times 5 is 50, and what's 10 times 6? You guessed it, it's 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. 10 times 10 is 100. Let's try multiply by 5. This is where we might start skip counting by 5s. So you can skip count 5, 10, 15 to 20, and notice there's a pattern. All the multiplication by an odd number ends in 5, and all the multiplication by an even number ends in 0. And it might help to memorize that 5 times 5 is 25 to help you check your work. Here's the full 5 multiplication table. So 5 times 5 equals 25, and 5 times 6 is 30, 5 times 7, 35, times 8 is 40, 5 times 9 is 45, up to 5 times 10 equals 50. Let's switch up the digits now. So we should remember that 5 times 6 is also the same as 6 times 5, because we're going to use that to remember the 6 tables later. Let's try more questions. What's 7 times 5? How about 4 times 0? 9 times 2? 8 times 0? And 5 times 10?